Booking a hotel room can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to writing an email to make a reservation. However, with the right approach and a few key tips, you can easily craft an email that will secure your desired accommodations. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of how to write an email to book a hotel room, ensuring that you have all the information you need to make your reservation with confidence. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time booker, read on to learn how to write an effective email that will get you the room you want. What to do before writing the email? Before you start writing your email to book a hotel room, there are a few things you should do to ensure that you have all the necessary information and that your email is effective. First, research the hotel you want to book and make sure that it meets your needs. Look at the location, amenities, and room types available. This will help you to determine which room you want to book and what information you need to include in your email. Second, check the hotel's availability for the dates you want to stay. You don't want to write a long email only to find out that the hotel is fully booked. Third, decide on the type of reservation you want to make. Do you want to pay in advance or upon arrival? Do you want to book a non-refundable rate or a flexible rate? Knowing this information will help you to write a clear and concise email. Finally, make sure you have all the necessary details ready, such as your name, contact information, and any special requests or requirements you may have. This will help the hotel to process your reservation quickly and efficiently. By taking these steps before writing your email, you will be able to write a clear and effective message that will help you to secure the hotel room you want. When it comes to writing the email to book a hotel room, there are a few key pieces of information that you should include. First, start with a polite greeting, such as "Dear Hotel Name Team" or "Hello." Next, introduce yourself and state the purpose of your email. For example, "My name is your name, and I am interested in booking a room at your hotel for dates of stay." Be sure to include the specific room type you are interested in, as well as any special requests or requirements you may have. This could include things like a specific view, a non-smoking room, or a room with a bathtub. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to include them in your email. This could include questions about the hotel's cancellation policy, payment options, or any additional fees that may apply. Finally, end your email with a polite closing, such as "Thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing back from you soon." Be sure to include your contact information, such as your phone number or email address, so that the hotel can easily get in touch with you. By including all of this information in your email, you will make it easy for the hotel to process your reservation and ensure that you get the room you want. In conclusion, writing an email to book a hotel room may seem daunting at first, but with the right approach and a few key tips, it can be a simple and effective process. By researching the hotel, checking availability, deciding on the type of reservation, and having all the necessary details ready, you can write a clear and effective email that will help you to secure the room you want. Remember to include all the necessary information in your email, such as the specific room type, special requests or requirements, and any questions or concerns you may have. With this email template and the tips provided, you can confidently book your next hotel room with ease.